Hello, it's Miss Carol in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania on a snowy day in January, and I had just such a wonderful feedback when I did the pierogi demonstration that we thought that we would do filming of the stuffed peppers. And as you can see today, we have our mix made, which includes ground beef, ground pork, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, garlic, eggs, breadcrumbs, seasonings, and look at that color. It's absolutely beautiful. And I use 3 different utensils. I like a soup spoon. You can use an ice cream scooper or a large spoon like so. And at the store that I talk about in Arnold, that my son's grandma owned, the salad bowl, she always demonstrated how she loved to stuff everything that she made, whether it's stuffed cabbage, stuffed peppers, pierogies, with the filling very nice and full. Look at that. It's a beautiful filling today. And then you take your hand and you cup it all around the pepper like so. So it's nice and formed. And then when you take a look at it, if you like, take another dab, stick it right on top there, mold it with your hand, like so. And there it is, a beautiful stuffed pepper that we will bake in a tomato sauce. Beautiful. Here we are, folks. Our tray is filled, and as you can see, our tomato soup is full all around. What we do is we take a little dab of tomato soup, put it right on top like so. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours. We want our peppers to be black. And you can take one out and test it to see if it's to your liking, like so. This makes a wonderful meal. There's plenty for family and friends to gather. And trust me, you will enjoy it. Stuffed peppers. Here we are, folks. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? They're all ready for the oven. We've preheated at 350. We will cook for an hour and a half, and then we'll check them. We might have to go another half hour. But there they are. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? And here they go into the oven, folks. Aren't they absolutely beautiful?
Yeah, let's start that over.
Oh, look. Oh my, they're absolutely beautiful. Look what is for dinner this evening on a cold night in January in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look what we have. Stuffed peppers, mashed potatoes, 2 trays. Oh, aren't they absolutely beautiful? Look at this absolutely beautiful dinner. My goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. And as we Italians say, mangiare!